Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a green screen in CapCut the right way. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and we have our clip right here, and the first thing is we need to select our clip in our timeline that we want to remove the green screen from. And from here, navigate into your video and click on cutout right here. And what we need is chroma key, and we're gonna enable this right there, and we're gonna click on the color picker and click on the green screen background. And now, just like that, we would now be able to turn the strength bit by bit, and then you can see that the green screen is now being removed. And now we're just gonna increase this until it is much smoother right there. And I think we'll just be going for more. I think, yeah, 15 is the best one for this. And you can even go here. And you can even go for customized right here, but this is for the pro version, so I don't really recommend this if you don't have the pro. And then yeah, with this one you have now successfully removed the green screen, and to test that out you can go into library and you can just choose some backgrounds right here that you can use. So maybe I'll choose this one, so let me just put this on top and let's just choose this so that we can see if the green screen is good. So as you can see, it has been cut out, and I think it is pretty decent right here. It's not really smooth, but it is doable. And then as you can see, you can't see the green screen background anymore. And yeah, this is really good for those who are looking for an easy way. This is really easy. We just done it with within 1 minute. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.